we're doing here for Queenstown Airport is it's a mill and overlay operation. So we're cutting off the top layer of old pavement and we're replacing that with varying depths of both EME2 and polymer modified bitumen AC14. Now that's a little bit jargony, but the gist of it is that we're taking off the old tired cracked asphalt and we're putting some new stuff down. The client leaves in the evening and it's an old grey looking surface. They come back in the morning, it's nice and dark and black and it's got new paint lines on it and it looks just superb. We've got a couple of new technologies on this project that we think set it apart. You know, there's the neat innovations around the beer bottle sand, crushed beer bottle sand coming in, replacing aggregate that we'd otherwise have to fish out and crush or obtain from somewhere else. That's going into the aggregate mix here behind me. We've also got a product called toner pave, or the leftover residue from empty toner cartridges and printers and photocopiers. That's going into the binder, the black stuff that holds all the stones together. So there's a couple of pretty cool things there.
Toner pave originated through our research and development in Australia. It's been used in several sites there, and this is the second site in New Zealand. But here we combine it with glass, and it's a bit of a first of its kind in such a highly engineered product.
Yeah, look, I mean, this is the mountain playground of the country, so there's the great outdoors, the natural environment is really important. We've bought into that and bringing some cool technologies to this project. Like I was saying to the crew, to our guys here, and have said all along, we're not working in a bubble here. This is an important project, not just for Queenstown or the region, but for the country. So there's a lot of eyes looking on it, and when you add in that sustainability angle, kind of the social connection to a project that you're dealing with, and that comes through not just in the project itself, but in the components that go into it. That's really cool, and the guys, you can see them sort of starting to respond to that message, and they're walking away from it going, yeah, we did that, we own that, we're part of that, and that's a pretty cool thing.
Looking after this amazing natural endowment that we have here in Queenstown and the broader region, it's looking after and I suppose supporting the social fabric of the area. So for us, really looking at how we bring sustainability into all the work that we do as a business. And this project really represents and reflects that thinking, working with partners like Downer and others.
The sustainability is going to play a big part in the construction industry and certainly future Downer projects. Clients willing to innovate and take a thought leadership stance like Queenstown Airport are key to achieving this. Traditionally, we've been an industry that's generated waste, we've generated emissions. A closer look at our projects and our industry demonstrates to us we can do better. And with a supportive client base, a supportive government stance on that, who knows where we can go.